Okay, here's a package reveal. I think these are always so fun, so I thought I'd do one myself. My favorite, I have two favorite silk art teachers. One is in Seattle and the other one is in Brazil. And the one in Seattle uses this company, a silk company, to have some of her silk scarves reproduced. And because I'm getting ready for the Mackenzie Childs show at the end of September, I was nervous that I wouldn't have enough product. Well, when you look at my studio, you'll say, oh yeah, you have enough product. But I kind of wanted to go down this avenue. It's not licensing, but it was just having some silk scarves made from the silks that I've already done. And I haven't seen them. I've never ordered from them before. I've never had them made. And I have plenty. Oh my gosh, plenty. So if there's one you like, let me know. Maybe I'll make a link on my website. But you can DM me, you can text me, you can call me, anything if you're interested. Excited to see. Here we go. Really great company I've been working with. Oh, wow. I had no idea they were going to be this big. Wow. Look at, they're huge. Look at this one. This is the breast cancer awareness silk scarf, and I'm so excited. They look great. I'm hoping to do a fundraiser for raising money for breast cancer. Let's see. Oh, this is my next fave. This is my favorite animal print. Yeah, they look great. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, look how pretty this scarf is. And I made them a little bigger because I found that, oh, look at that. That came out really, really nice. And it's so silky smooth and soft. Oh, I can't even get over how soft it is. So excited. Okay, let's keep looking. All right, let's keep going. So, wow. I'm going to have plenty for the show. That is for sure. Oh, this is a fun one. This was very popular. And it's just cute and it's perfect for Halloween. So I made one and it just sold right away. So I thought, well, this is kind of popular. I learned this from my favorite teacher in Brazil. Look at the skulls. It's like a Halloween colorful. It is the skulls, so it's kind of perfect for the Day of the Dead. And oh, look at it, kind of comes across just a little bit of color. Oh, I love it. And it's nice and big and comfy cozy. Wow, I love how they feel. They feel so soft. I love this one. Okay, now I have like 3 new scarves for my scarf holder. And there are 2 more down here. This one, wow. Oh, this looks really good. Hang on, Mr. Pickles. Oh, this looks really good. Wow, these came out so nice. This one is for Halloween as well, but you don't have to wear it for Halloween. It is with an orange cast to it. This was a very popular one. This was done on the silk marbling tray, and it came out so neat, and people had asked about it, so I have 20 of them made. So if you want one, call me now. But look, they're nice and big. You can tie it in a knot and carry it around. And it doesn't have to look like Halloween either. It's just a little orange flare with those little ghosty ghosts. But it also was in high demand and not one easy to remake. So, oh, that's exciting. And then I like that one so much that I had another batch made. But I wanted to use, instead of the orange, I wanted to use a different color because I think some people like purple. So I had them make them for me with the little purple, splashes of purple in it. Yeah, so it's same size. It's just good size, nice and roomy, big. So if you just have a little splash of purple that you want to add some color to, and it's got the, it has the ghosty ghost, but with some purple splashes through it. And that's the marbling technique. Nice, great haul. I'm ready for Mackenzie Childs. You should see my studio. It's a mess. I am just painting away, keeping busy. It's October 28th weekend, the last weekend in September, excuse me, September, last weekend in September. And if you can come, it's in upstate New York. Love to have you. I'm going to have I've got a booth, and I'm going to have a silk painting activity. So anybody who paints on the silk gets to enter in the drawing. I think it's about a 5-hour drive away from Detroit, but if you know anybody in the upstate New York area, have them give me a call or let me know. Have them come find my booth, Art Yourself Studio. Anyway, just wanted to share my haul. Thank you.